We're going to sew the two wings individually on each side of Lola's body. First, make sure Lola's shape stays upright. Then, let's place the left wing on the left side of the body. Looks good. Let's find the midpoint, the center of the magic ring. Then mark it with a stitch marker. Next, we'll thread the short yarn from the middle of the wing to the other side of the body where we marked it. You can squeeze Lola's body to guide the needle through. Let's remove the stitch marker and check again if the position is right. Good, let's add 2 more stitch markers to secure the wings. Now, let's thread the long yarn and start sewing it onto the body. We'll just sew the semicircular part of the wing onto the body. Start by inserting the needle from underneath the wing, then thread it through a stitch on the wing. Like this. Let's continue by inserting the needle from below the wing and passing through the next stitch. Let's do this again. Alright, there's another section here that needs to be sewn. Let's pull the yarn through here and continue stitching. Okay, the left wing is stitched up. Let's bring the needle through from somewhere on the other side of the body. Alright, let's trim off this strand and sew the other wing onto the body with the same method. Finish off. Let's squeeze Lola to shape it up. Great, it looks super cute. I really hope you had a blast crocheting it, and I can't wait to see your handiwork. You can share your photos in the Amazon product reviews to inspire other crochet beginners and support us. Thank you. Bye.